PowerShellGPT is a Windows application that allows ChatGPT to control your PC. Here's how it works. We start by submitting the system prompt to ChatGPT. This tells it how to interact with the application. As soon as a command is generated, the application detects it and requests access. If you prefer this not to pop up, you can always grant permanent access. As you can see, the command's executed in PowerShell, and the result is sent back to ChatGPT. Selecting last command lets us see the last PowerShell command that was executed. I'm going to show you how to make a simple empty the recycle bin command. Put the trash in the bin. I saved this command earlier. It just puts a couple of files in the recycle bin for this demo. Okay, now we have some junk in our recycle bin. Let's get ChatGPT to create a PowerShell command to empty it. I want you to use PowerShell to empty the recycle bin. Okay, let's see what it comes up with. It's generated the command. Let me just click Allow. And there you go. The files are gone. Now, I'm not sure why PowerShell said there was an error. The files have gone. So let's just save this command because it worked. It says here something about the path not being found, but hey, the files have gone. To save it, we just click here. Now we give it a name. This name also acts as the vocal command. Once saved, whenever we say this and the voice recognition is active, instead of sending the text to ChatGPT, it will execute this PowerShell command. Let's give it a try. First, let's put something in the bin. Put the trash in the bin. There we go. Now let's empty it. Empty the trash. And there you go. That's how easy it is to create voice commands using PowerShellGPT to automate anything on your PC. Stop listening. Download your personal AI assistant now at PowerShellGPT.com.